What's up, coaster fans? Today we're talking about one of the most exciting new additions at Universal's Epic Universe, Minecart Madness. This family coaster has been getting a lot of buzz, and after riding it myself, I can confidently say it lives up to the hype. Let's dive into this wild, immersive, and surprisingly thrilling ride experience. Minecart Madness is located in the Super Nintendo world, and it fits perfectly into its surroundings. From the moment you approach the ride, you're greeted with jaw-dropping theming. The queue takes you through a crumbling mine expedition site, filled with flickering lanterns, old mining tools, and clever little animatronic surprises that set the tone before you even board the ride. Now let's talk about the ride experience. Minecart Madness may be a family coaster, but don't let that fool you. It packs in more fun than you'd expect. It starts off with a smooth launch through a twisting mineshaft tunnel, and the pacing from there is nonstop. You've got quick turns, small pops of airtime, and even a couple of surprise moments where the track dips in and out of caves and tunnels. It's dynamic, it's fast, but still accessible to younger riders or those who might not be ready for the big coasters. But let's be real, the theming is what puts this ride over the top. Universal has gone above and beyond with the detail here. The ride vehicles look like real mine carts, rusty, weathered, and full of personality. Throughout the ride, you pass through detailed rockwork, glowing crystals, and animatronic creatures. Every scene tells a story, and it feels like you're part of an epic adventure, not just riding a roller coaster. It's something that could only come from Universal's next-level creativity. Now let's talk about the best part of Minecart Madness. And I think you know what I'm going to say. That track jump over the water. Oh man, this moment is jaw-dropping. The ride builds up tension. The track looks like it's about to end. And then, bam. You launch forward across the gap. Water splashes up underneath you, and the whole crowd gasps. It's a brilliant mix of thrill and spectacle, and easily one of the most memorable coaster moments I've experienced in a long time. Minecart Madness is the perfect example of how a family coaster can still be a headliner. It's thrilling, but not too intense, incredibly themed, and full of surprises. Whether you're a kid, a parent, or a die-hard coaster enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. It's the kind of ride you'll want to get back in line for again and again. And honestly, it might just be one of the best family coasters Universal has ever built. Have you ridden Minecart Madness yet? Let me know your favorite part in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more theme park content, and hit that bell so you never miss an update from Epic Universe and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.